Hi everyone, it's me, Selena Taylor, and this time it is not a toy vlog. We are going to the forest, and there's a shortcut.
Forest?
Well, a forest area, I mean.
A trail?
Yeah, trail. And there's a way to get to the park by that way. We're gonna go outside right now, and this is Pinkie Pie. She gets to come, and she loves ideas. Hi! Oh, she's so weird.
See you.
What did you say? See you.
Okay.
So, we are gonna now go outside. I know how to unlock the door. And Lexi's out there somewhere. She's a puppy. And she's a wiener dog. And she's somewhere out there. Look at the nature.
Can you hear that?
Those are my bird friends.
Oh, really? So where are you going?
Well, I am going to the park. This is not the real way, but this is another way.
Where? Let me see. Oh, that way.
I can see a little bit of town, and I can also see the pet store.
Where?
Can you? And yes, Pinkie Pie is back with me.
Oh wow, what is that bird there?
That's either a crow or a raven. Do you hear it? Do you hear it?
Yeah.
Be careful around. Beware, because there might be a bear.
A bear?
Yeah, beware for the bear. And look, guys, I found part of a wasp nest. Is that part of a wasp nest?
I don't know.
It looks like part of one.
Let's go.
Beware for the beehives and wasp nests and fox and bear. Well, bear's not exactly. Bear's not exactly a fox. Oh yeah. So some of these trees have fallen down like that one.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, this one, huh? That one?
Yeah, that fell down.
What do you think happened to that?
I'm pretty sure a beaver chomped on it, but that would make no sense.
Uh-huh.
So I don't know what happened. Maybe someone went in the grass and chopped it down. I don't know. Ooh, look at those healthy green leaves. My mom was born in the Philippines, and she used a banana leaf to put her food on.
That's not a banana leaf.
What kind of leaf is this?
I don't know.
Well, it's very healthy, and I need it. You know why?
Why?
Because I am going to have a pet bug soon in my bug cage. When I get the pet bug, I'm going to have a vlog about my pet bug. And when they do the vlog about my pet bug, who wants to see it?
Can you start walking now? On that area?
Yeah, I will.
Wow, where are we going here? Look at that.
It looks like my house. It's like I'm Mother Nature, and my house is the trees, and I got some spring clothing and summer clothing. And I sometimes pick the leaves off and leave a trail of leaves for some bugs that are crawling that need food, like ants. Like I'm doing right now, see? I'm doing it.
Oh, what is that? You want to go there? You want to go in here?
Sure, there's a deck. Who wants to come in the deck? We're gonna try the deck today.
Oh, there's a paru-paru.
Paro. Come on. I can't breathe. There's some spider webs, but I don't care. sit on the bench. This would be a good picnic spot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's the river. That reminds me that we're close to the park.
Yeah, let me see the river here. Oh, it's a polluted one. Right?
And beware, because this might fall down.
The one.
And beware for this falling down.
Mm-hmm. You can have a birthday party here.
Yeah. Now, who thinks I should have my birthday party here?
It'll be cold for your birthday party here.
I want to have my birthday party here. We can have my birthday party here.
Look at that.
Now.
Yeah,
And
this
I
is...
can ask my mom if I can have... Mom, I want to have my birthday party here.
We'll ask Daddy.
So this looks like a pretty view for a birthday party. And Pinkie Pie loves it. And look at all the healthy greens. I bet those pokey figs are poison ivies growing.
Where?
I bet those are poison ivies growing.
Ah, yeah, the bee. Let's go, the bee.
Well,
Why did you run away?
because there was a bee. Bee. Really, bee. It was flying around my mom's head.
Did you hear that?
That's a chirp.
A chirpy chirp?
Ooh, do you see those fluffy bats?
Mm-hmm.
Ah! A bee's flying around me.
No. Where is that sound coming from?
I hear this every day. So I hear this bee every day. It's the same bee. Vicky and Bruno. That's my bee friend. Are those green lavenders?
Lavender blue.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoever's singing, stop.
Oh no. Like close, really close. Look at the river here.
Well, oh gosh. There's Chirp.
Where?
Right there. She's right there. She's so cute. She's
Where?
on the tree.
Where?
On the tree.
I cannot see.
Right there.
Ah! Let's see.
Hi, Chirp.
Oh, right there. That's the sun. Yeah. Oh, it flew away.
No, she's still
Keep
there.
whistling. Keep whistling. See, do you want to see it up close here? See?
Ah! A bug was on you. Oh, there's Recky Raven.
Uh-huh. Okay, let's go now.
I'm talking to birds. Well, I'm talking to birds nowadays.
Are you?
Well, after...
Try to whistle. Oh. Let's go.
I'm talking to birds nowadays. I've done it before.
It's so hot in here, eh?
I feel
Look
like
at the river and the river.